Hello, teacher. I'm going to present the homework that I have created in PowerPoint. 15 sentences in English. I already zoom. I already zoom it, and I am going to start reading it. The first one. I love spending time with my family. She is studying for her exams. We went to the beach last weekend. The cat is sleeping on the couch. They are going to the movies tonight. My parents are cooking dinner in the kitchen. Number 7. The sun is shining brightly today. She plays the piano beautifully. We are going on vacation next month. He is wearing a blue shirt and jeans. They are meeting at the coffee shop later. Number 12. My sister is learning to drive a car. Number 13. The dog is barking loudly outside. We enjoyed the concert last night. And the last one, she wants to become a doctor. Thank you.